Mm. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you the demo about the API of the EmpFriendly. So the EmpFriendly is the project that I participate in the Redis Hackathon on Dev 2022. So you can check it with the repository that I will put it into the description below, and for the EmpFriendly is only implementation for the backend, have the microservice architectures and event-driven architectures, and also implement the RESTful and GraphQL. So yeah, so this one I want to show you about the example of the deployment that I put it for this project. I have around 10 of microservices that working for this project, and also have the example of the location streaming as well. And this one is the I didn't update the to do. I will update it after. And yeah, so this one is a kind of the example. Yeah, for the high level designs, I'm create the Kubernetes cluster to working on this project, and I cut the ingress for now because I can working on really late with the DNS. So I cut it out and focusing on the aggregator level and the internal service communication. And yeah, this one is the technical implementations. And for this one, I will describe you about the tech stack that I use in this project. I use the Spring Reflux as okay. Let's see. I will store inside the architecture. So okay, let's see. I put it in the README as well. The tech stack that I use is the Spring Boot and Spring Reflux developed by Java and Kotlin, and add the implementations of the Redis OM Spring into the microservice. And the other technologies that I use is the Fast API and Sonic, that the web application framework developed by Python, and add the capability of Redis OM Python into the microservice as well. And I use the Redis stack on the cloud, so that means I use the Redis Enterprise Cloud, and I've used the Kubernetes in as a deployment that I focusing on the deployment service request and config map to working on this one. And as I said before, I cut the ingress for now. And yeah, this one that they show you about the architectures, and inside the backend they can show you about the how my all of microservice that can working and how they communicate, and also the skeleton stuff that didn't implementation, but you can implement it by your own. And the technical design, I use the stuff like this, and also include the command for you guys as well. Yeah, so like getting back into the EmpFriendly again. Yeah, and also this one is the Kubernetes deployment, declare as a YAML file, and you can deploy it by use a command. By the way, I think I'm missing the command that the microservice stuff. I will put it after. Yeah, you can use it to deploy the workload to your Kubernetes. All right. So okay, for the implementation, you can follow by this one, how to run it locally section. Okay, firstly, I will focusing this on the local installation. You could have the Kubernetes cluster of choice. I use the Minikube as the local cluster, and create the Redis cloud account and create a database subscription as well. And I will follow my my run to sessions. Okay, firstly, you're going into the cloud URL to best defaults by command. That is cloud URL. Okay, you can see this. You can see this one. I will convert it for now, so you can't see my chain, right? yeah, this one is the sections that you can replace the Redis URL. You transform it to base64 and then put it into this one. Okay, I will change to my URL as a base64. Okay, and then after I put into the secret, I will create the stream group in the Redis inside with this command. Right, and because right now I have this one, the stream event, so when I put it, it should be show the error about it already exists. But if you didn't create it, it could be show with a okay or something. Yeah, okay, the group is already exists, so yeah, but it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, cool. Then let me show the other one. Yeah. Okay, then I follow this one. I create the stream group, and then after I start the microservice with inside the Kubernetes cluster. Yeah, and then I will put it into this one. Yeah, it's quite take time to provision the microservice with all of 10 microservice, and if you have the lack of resource, you can deploy it with your cloud Kubernetes cluster such as the GKE or EKS or AKE. It's just or AKS. It's just a cluster of your choice, right? So I want to track my deployment. Okay, I wanna watch it with the Kubernetes cluster. So it could have take some time. You can skip. Okay, I will skip the time into when our workload are complete to complete to provisions and ready to continue the flow. Okay, seems like our workload are complete to provision. So let's continue into the implementation flow. Okay, port forward service require T terminals. This one is would be make the port forward to your local. So I've used this command to export the port and use it for local. Yeah, is it require T terminal as well? Okay, let me show you about. Okay, I will use this one as the general. Okay, just copy it. Okay, I expose the driver now, and then I'm expose the management aggregate layer. Okay, you can see this one out. I export the terminal like this. Okay, and then after you okay, calling the API with Postman with this collection Redis Hackathon Postman collection JSON, I put it into the repository as well. It could be show for this one. You import in your Postman and can be continued to follow. Okay, then I will open my Postman. I already imported. Okay, you can see this one have the aggregate layer, the ratings and whatever. This one is the internal service that can working on the atomic task, and for the main one, I will use the aggregator layer to working for the flow. Okay, let's go to the first flow. The first flow is relating about the admin management working on the API that can working integrate with the service in as a backend, manipulate the employee, manipulate the restaurant, top up and deduct, and for the deep details for implementation, when the new employee is created, we will send the notification send topic and then send into the notification service that subscribe the topic. And right now I implement the skeleton stuff that can working on the subscribe and then showed about welcome to our company or some things. But you can implement by your own. You can implement by use a FCM the Firebase or use the SendGrid as a send the email or whatever. You can implement it by your own. And for the point, it's kind of the simple stuff, update and add and subtract the point. Yeah. The other one is when okay, let me see. When I have the new restaurant, right? I will put it into the Redis JSONs and publish the data as a topic create new restaurant, and then the QR service will subscribe and will generate the QR code after. Yeah, so let's see the results. Okay, let's go with the employee one first. First is for the management, right? The management I have implement the this one, the employee microservice as the Redis OM Spring. And also firstly it's just the that you can see from the demo of the Redis team, as the you can query by the range between the integers, right? The firstly I sense the query like this. Okay, I made the result limit, so you can expecting the slow of the response. Okay, between we waiting for the result from the microservice. Okay, then okay, they got the results. They will show you the range between the min and max. This one is 32 and this person's is 35, 36. Okay, is the inside the range, and this one implemented by Java microservice. And I can't use the Kotlin right now because seem like the constructor or some things that have the issue between about the integers of the range. So that's why I can't implement by Kotlin. So I use Java for this microservice. Okay, for the location nearby, it could be working on the same stuff, right? I'm used that long that the area nearby my place. So yeah, that could be show the address like this. And then the other one is the first and last. I expect to query my name, and I use this one as the wildcard. So if I send this one as, I expect to show my name, right? And if I remove the wildcard, let's see the results. Because the Redis OM Spring right now that working on the exact match stuff if you didn't provide the wildcard. So okay, I when you implement by your own, I prefer to use wildcard as well. Yes, and all of those things is working on the same stuff, and you can do it by your own, right? For the management, it could be take quite a lot of time for the test of those things. So let's go to the top up. Right, okay, let's see. I want to send the top up into this one. Okay, I want to get point from there. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, maybe it's about it, the lazy communication. Okay, for the individual persons have 100 IC point, so I want to top up them with the 1000 and 200. right? 1200, and then okay, I top up this one and we show you the Redis inside. Okay, I close the URL, and so let's go to the point chain history. Okay, I wanna find some things that a balance point is the point chain history. Or maybe they didn't complete the flow. Okay, they showed it no content again. Okay, 12 now. Yeah, this one is the I'm top up the point with the with the reference with this reference ID, and the balance point right now is the 100. I mean 1,300. So let's check into the Postman. Okay, send the same results. Send the same request. Okay, I got a 1,300, and for this query we will focus on the point. Okay, this one. Yeah, I've used. You can see this one have the current 1,300. Let's show you Postman. Okay, and the other one is the deduct restaurant. Okay, the deduct restaurant. Okay, the chef, the owner of the restaurants wanna exchange it to their cash. So okay, I wanna debit for the 10 point or something. Yeah, just copy them and send the reference ID. Okay, my bad, I didn't go with the to check the point first. By the way, for the initials data inside the employee and point, I create the initial as 100 point for you, so I expect it to show about 90 for now. Yeah, so yeah, this kind of the stuff related with the point. Okay, so for the restaurant right now, I wanna practice myself as use the GraphQL. So I create this endpoint as a GraphQL, right? You can see the technical implementation in the repository as well. So yeah, this one, you get the restaurant, you can get the data like this, and then okay, I wanna create it, right? And for this one, okay, let me show you. This one is the from the initial data, but I will show you in the real time. I want to create this restaurant, right? Restaurant ID, this one, and name like this one. Okay, then just create them. Okay, let's go to Redis inside. Okay, you can see this one. This one is a pop-up and show you as the publish message. And okay, getting back into the GraphQL, respond to results. Okay, get again. For the restaurant ID, it could be happen the data test that we just put, and the other one I wanna delete it. Yeah, I've sent the request. Yeah, okay, so that could disappear from the list. Oh, okay, my bad. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm also delete the data. Okay. Okay, they show the results. The test is wrong. It's disappear. Okay. This one complete the first four. right? Because I'm created we created a new QR code, and for the firstly when I initial the data, right, I create a restaurant Redis, and this one a kind of fixed restaurant ID. So if you're going into the QR servicing, I mean QR model could be show you about the QR code that relate with that restaurant. Yeah, this one. Okay, because I didn't provide the delete QR for the delete operations. I delete restaurant operation, so yeah, you can improve it by after. Yeah, they have the restaurant ID and matching with the QR code restaurant, right? And then okay, the second flow. The employees wanna okay, it's a lunchtime. Employee wanna grab something in from the restaurant that that the employers provide for you. So okay, then go into the restaurant. The chef put their own QR code in the front of store, and okay, they buy the food, they scan the QR, and they will send the backend. Send the URL to the backend, right? And for now, I implement with the simple stuff as a backend, and then they pay the point, and will go into the payment service that can use the user ID inside the header, and use the restaurant ID as the parameter, and use the point and use the body and put the point for send as a request body to the payment service. And then we will be working on the update stuff. Okay, I will show you how the flow working. Okay, for this one, I'm working on the general flow. Okay, this wrong, get the QR, right? They get the QR, and can we put it into your front desk, and okay, in the meanwhile, I'm waiting for the results. I will use okay, by the way, you can do it by your own, and you can copy this QR code to you guys and show it by your own. And for this result, it could be the same as happened in this screenshot. Yeah, you can scan use this by your own and see the result of the API format. But okay, when you scan it completely, you can see the format of the URL could be the same like this. This one would be the URL that's strict with the restaurant. Okay, and for okay, I wanna pay the point. Okay, my lunchtime takes I take 100 SC point. I wanna pay it, and okay, I put it into the user ID. For the security design, you can you can apply it with your own JWT or whatever, but I used the simple one, the request header for the user ID. And then okay, I'm wanna decrease the point. Yeah, okay, I pay for him, right? Okay, it quite take a long time. Yeah, because they for internal service right now working for as a synchronous communication, so you could expect about the delay response or slowly response, right? Okay, okay, I'll be waiting the results. Yeah, because I am used the resource limit and also internal I mean use the local cluster, so that's why that might take long time to respond. Okay, it sent the 200 is okay. I decided like this. I didn't provide a response. So yeah, I get my point for now. Point me. Yeah, I want to get my point. My own point. Yeah, okay. Could have. Yeah, okay. So oh, okay, my bad. This one. Oh, okay then. Okay. Why? Okay, why is go to the I mean 1200, right? Because if you can remember, I'm top up the point into the 100, I mean into the 1300, and I decrease 100. So this one is the result. So okay, I wanna get the transaction history as well, but I think right now that could be show about the data. Okay, maybe have the stale data, right? I didn't check it. I didn't delete it. I think maybe have the stale data as well, or not. I'm not so sure. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then I think I implement the Redis. The delete stuff as well. Okay. I'm top up the data. I'm top up with the 1200, and I deduct 100. So yeah, this one that's kind of the stuff that relate with the second flow, and the other one is the rating stuff. It just send the rating into send the rating into the, I mean into the restaurant that you like, that you want to review. Yeah. Okay, so for now I wanna submit. Okay, I wanna get the rating first. Okay, let me see. Show. Okay, get the list of restaurant again. Okay, I'm pick the top 3. Okay, and okay, check the ratings for this one. The ratings is zeros because, okay, we didn't send the rating to them, right? We didn't send the rating to them, so I want to submit these ratings to them. Yeah, so right now I didn't check the duplicate, so I can update the rating whatever infinite time. Okay, I submit the ratings to this one. Okay, I send rating 4, and the get rating should have the 4 as well. Maybe it take a long response, I think. So let me send it again. Okay. Okay, this one is show 4, right? It's complete. And then I wanna send again as a 5. Okay, it showed true. So let's check the rating again. Okay, it changed. So what's behind the scenes that working on? Okay, we send rating submit. I'm publish the receive rating topic into the Redis cloud, and then subscribe itself to working on the update point. And for when you get the ratings for the restaurant, they will calculate ratings with the average. Yeah, just a simple stuff. And for getting back into the Redis insight, I will show you on the rating history. Okay, the rating history is the one that I sent 4, 4 and 5, right? Okay, let me see. Oh, okay, maybe have a stale data, so okay, sorry for that. Okay, let's go to the Redis insight and go to the pub sub. Okay, you can see this one is the receive rating that stream into the Redis, and then the rating itself working on the process to save the rating history. Yeah, so this one is the third 4, and for the last one is the with the scenario that you are the employees and you're stuck in the company when you have the storm or the rain or something that can blocking you to getting home or go to the go to their site client site or something. Yeah, so that's why I provide this service for the driver and employees. I mean, make the opportunity to driver that can send you into your destinations. Yeah, that's kind of the scenario behind like that. So okay, I wanna create the delivery journey or I wanna create the delivery order. Okay, then I close this all. Okay, I'm created delivery order for now. Yeah, okay. Right now I put some data that you can working by your own, and if you wanna see your data, I mean the data about employee, I put it into the as the initial data inside your Redis in the employees microservice. You can change it by your own, or you use the query method to working on this stuff. So okay, this one, if you go into the employee sections, okay, let me see, that's quite I didn't manage the key. Okay, I apologize for that. Okay, I the ordinaries. Okay, this one the driver. Okay, I put the 3 ordinaries and put 3 driver. Okay, and then you can then use this by tag. Is okay, use by tag. Okay, then I'm use the drive of my bad driver. Yeah, oh, maybe is can cut the s. Okay, okay, I have the order. Okay, I pick the driver as my driver for now. Okay, as I said, the deliver is you I mean you request them to file some foods that you still in a meeting, or you have to communicate. You have to communicate with the important topic, so you are still hungry, and then okay, you ask Trevor to go grab something for you. So okay, you create the order. I pick him as a driver, and then okay, I'm use the user ID to send the request, and then okay, I send the order to the driver. Okay, the order right now, the delivery order right now is 3, but I expect if I refresh, it's gonna be 4. Okay, maybe it just didn't processing complete. Yeah, okay, it's 4 now. Yeah, this one, this could be this one, right? And by the way, you can copy this one into your Postman, or you use the another endpoint that I provide for you guys. This one is the driver wanna get their active task to work on. You can implementing by your notification event. It depend on your business logic, but I'm used is as the internal design. I mean just a simple design. Okay. Okay then I expected to this API to show the list of the active tasks that they can accept or something, but right now I didn't provide the cancel, so yeah, you need to accept the task. Okay, cool. And then I have this deliver ID. Okay, the deliver IDs that could be related with the behind the flow. Okay, I will show you the flow before I jump into the Postman request. The flow when the driver accept the order, right, will be change the status into the order service and then create the tracking into the location service, and then location service will be publish the message as a strategy topic, and then the location service itself will be subscribe the topic, and then create the I mean just the mock of the geo point for to imitate about when you working on the real world, and the driver need to send the location asynchronously into your API, and then stream it into into your data store or something. It's just the behind the scenes design. So this one might gonna happen for now when I accept the order, right? Okay, then I accept the order. Okay, then I'm delete this the location service and will create a new one. And okay, let's see the results again. Okay, seems like it's already running. Okay, let's see the status of the deploy, the status of this one. Okay, is still on the starting phase, on the boot start phase. So okay, waiting for the Spring microservice start. Okay, seems like I need to add more memories to this one. Okay, I think it's got the error because I'm run the 10 of microservice in my local, so that's why it's might consume a lot of CPU. So this one, it could be the root case for this. Okay, let's see the Redis inside for now. Okay, then I wanna create the order again. Okay, seems like it's ready. Okay, I send the deliver, accept the order again. It could happen the could show you about the start date topic, and then will be stream the location event like this. You can see the JSON set for this one is a kind of the stream data to this one, and then okay, I wanna get the history of the tracking of this deliver ID. Okay, for the history for now, I think is it's not 20 point, but I said it's at 20. So yeah, this one is a kind of the demo of this one. Yeah, they might face some issues for you guys. So I wanna make the apologize for that. So yeah, I think that's all for this demo implementation. But in terms of the problem when I implement them, because the Redis OM Spring right now implement just only for the 266, and when I update it into the 272 is for use the GraphQL, they got the issues so that's why I'm for the internal service I use the 266, and for the GraphQL I use 272. Yeah, and for the Redis OM, for the a Redis OM, I can't use the migrator as the coroutine await, so I need to import the Redis OM migrator to use as a synchronous from the startup event. Yeah, so if you have any questions for demo or explanation, you can ping me to the to my GitHub to the email. I put it in my GitHub. Yeah, so okay, cool. So I think that's all for this demo. So hope you enjoy it so far, and I want to make apologize for that for the issues. So thank you.